Hey contractors, Jason Trester here. Right now I'm in the office filming final modules for the Kingdom Coaching Master course. We're building the most complete system for mindset that wins every morning, time and energy mastery, profit systems that scale, team and leadership that runs without you, real estate for long-term wealth, every lesson, every worksheet, every step. If you're tired of chaos on the job sites, cash flow surprises, working 70 hours for thin margins, join the $100 a month membership today. You get weekly lessons, slow motion or fast for speed, private community, live Q&A every Thursday, a vault of templates, forms, and documents, cancel at any time, lifetime access. Click the link below or call us today.